We'll guide you through how to do gradient animation Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows Start menu on your desktop. Once the Start menu appears, search for Google Chrome in the taskbar search field and open the Google Chrome browser application from the results. After the browser loads completely, enter Figma in the search bar and click the official Figma website from the search results. Before continuing, ensure you have already logged into your Figma account so you can access the editor and all available design tools. After signing in successfully, start a new design by clicking the plus design button on your dashboard. When the blank canvas opens, tap the frame tool from the toolbar. Move your cursor onto the canvas, then left-click and hold. Drag the cursor to create a frame with your preferred dimensions and release the mouse button once the frame reaches the desired size. Next, create a text layer by selecting the T icon from the toolbar. Click anywhere inside the frame and type the text you want to animate. After entering your text, go to the design panel on the right side of the screen and locate the fill section. Click the color square and change the fill type to gradient. Adjust the gradient colors to create the appearance you want for the text. Once the gradient has been applied, copy and paste the entire frame to create a second version. Select the duplicated frame and modify the gradient colors or gradient position so it looks different from the first frame. This variation will create the visible movement during the animation. Next, click the first frame and switch to the Prototype tab. Under the Interaction section, click the Interaction list and change the Trigger option to After Delay. Enter a delay value of 1 millisecond so the animation starts almost instantly. Then change the Action setting to Navigate to and choose Frame 2 as the destination. Under the Animation settings, select Smart Animate to create a smooth transition between the frames. After that, select the second frame and create another interaction. Configure all settings to match those used for frame 1, but change the destination to frame 1 instead. This will create a continuous loop between the two frames. Finally, click the Preview button to test the result.